A man tried swallowing a spoonful of dry chia seeds, then drank water immediately after. The seeds expanded and it caused a blockage, and the doctors had to remove it with a scope. Trust me, you don't want to make the same mistake. So, what exactly are chia seeds? Let's break down what chia seeds actually do for your body. Number 1, better digestion. Just 2 tablespoons of chia seeds give you about 10 grams of fiber. That's almost a third of your daily fiber needs. Fiber helps your gut stay healthy, prevents constipation, and makes you feel fuller for longer. Number 2, heart health. Chia seeds are one of the richest plant-based sources of omega-3 fatty acids, especially ALA. Studies show that ALA can help reduce blood pressure and support healthy cholesterol levels, both important for preventing heart diseases. Number 3, anti-inflammatory effects. Clinical trials and meta-analysis have shown chia may lower CRP, a marker of inflammation in the body. Less inflammation means better recovery, less risk of chronic disease, and even healthier skin. And the number 4, bone strength. Chia is high in calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus. These minerals work together to support strong, healthy bones, really useful if you are a vegan or don't consume dairy. Number 5, energy and blood sugar balance. Chia also contains plant-based protein with all essential amino acids. That means more stable energy throughout the day, less sugar crash, and a better way to support muscle recovery. And let's not forget, chia seeds are full of antioxidants like chlorogenic acid and tocopherols, which protect your cells and support your immune system. So, in short, chia seeds are like nature's multivitamin baked into a single spoonful. Okay, let's talk about how to use chia seeds. My first method is the chia water with lemon. Here is how to do it. Take 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, mix them into a glass of water, and add a squeeze of lemon. Leave it for about 15 minutes until the seeds form a gel. Then drink this first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. It hydrates you, kickstarts your digestion, and the vitamin C from lemon gives your immune system an extra boost. Now, if you have acid reflux or stomach ulcers, don't add the lemon, just stick with bland chia seed water. It's still very effective. Have you ever tried chia water before? If yes, let me know in the comments. Did you love it or hate it? I would love to hear your experience. Now, let's talk about method number 2, which is chia yogurt bowl. This is one of my favorites. Add 1 tablespoon of chia seeds to a cup of yogurt. You can add fruit, banana, berries, mango, whatever you have at home. If you want it sweeter, add a drizzle of honey. If not, leave it natural. Now, here is the most important part. Let it soak idly. Prepare it the night before and leave it in the fridge. But if you don't have time, let it sit for at least 30 minutes. This allows the chia to absorb liquid and form that pudding-like texture. This makes a delicious breakfast, snack, or even dessert. It's filling, nutritious, and kids love it too. Now I need to pause here for something very important. Never eat chia seeds dry. Let me repeat that. Never eat them dry. Why? Because when chia seeds come into contact with liquid, they expand up to 10 to 12 times their size. If you swallow them dry, they can absorb liquid in your throat or stomach, and that can lead to serious problems. There are real medical reports of people ending up in the emergency room with chia seeds stuck in their esophagus. So, here is the golden rule. Always soak chia seeds before you eat them. Whether it's water, juice, or yogurt, let them expand outside your body, not inside. And please avoid sprinkling dry chia seeds on granola or baked goods without soaking them first.